Test 5, Section 8, question number 9. The question here says there are some regulations for riding in some amusement park. Okay, so as all the amusement parks have something, so the regulation here is that the child should be between 30 inches to 50 inches of height. So if that's something that has to hold true, then the question is which of the following can be used to determine the allowed child's height. And the answer choices that we have are the absolute value of h minus 10 is less than 50. Answer choice B is the absolute value of h minus 20 is less than a 40. Answer choice C is the absolute value of h minus 30 is less than a 20. Answer choice D is the absolute value of h minus 40 is less than 10. And answer choice E is the absolute value of h minus 45 is less than 5. So many absolute values, and we have to find out which of these holds true. So we need to know how to solve these equations faster. So if you would refer back to the introduction video of absolute value equations, you would get to know how to solve them. Here we need to use the answer choices, so let's try. So the first equation says h minus 10 is less than 50, and if we look at them when h minus 10 is more than 0, it implies that h minus 10 is less than 50, or we get h is less than 60. No, we need h less than 50, so this goes out. Let's look at answer choice B. Answer choice B says h minus 20 is less than 40, so it becomes h minus 20 is less than 40, or we get h is less than 60. No, again, more than what we are looking at, so this goes out. Answer choice C, the absolute value of h minus 30 is less than a 20, so we get h minus 30 is less than a 20, and we get h is less than 50. Works very fine with this, but let's see what holds true when we take this h minus 30 as a negative number. So minus h minus 30 is less than 20. It makes the equation as h minus 30 is more than a minus 20, or h is more than a 10. No, we are looking at a 30, so this goes out. Answer choice D, h minus 40 is less than a 10. So if we look at this, it becomes h minus 40 is less than 10, or we get h is less than 50. Works again, but when it is minus h minus 30 less than 10, it makes it h minus 30 is more than a minus 10, or h is more than a 20. Again, not what we are looking at, so we are left with only answer choice C. So that's something that works, so that's the correct answer. A bit time consuming question, but no choice.